Okay, y'all, right back at you here. $1 denom, $50 bet. Highest one is $2.50. Let's see what we can get. Come on, keep us in the game. Come on. Give us a progressive. Hit that 5,000, we'll go home. Promise you. Come on, keep us in the game. Yes. Thank you. Do some big numbers. Give us some big numbers. Give us a progressive. There we go. Keep us in the game. Yes, yes. Thank you, Jesus. Oh, I saw that major go by earlier. Come on. One spin left. Come on. Alright, I don't think it's too bad. Pretty decent. Alright, we'll take it, y'all. Hashtag Sasha Slots. Give me that thumbs up. We'll talk to you soon. Very good. Okay, Sasha Slots back again. $1 denom, $25 bet. Highest one we got here is $3.75. 3 spins, sorry. Let's see what we can get. I don't know, I saw that minor go by. Come on, keep us in the game, baby. Come on. Bring it down. There we go. Keep us in the game. Whew. Come on. Yes. I love when it drops 2 at a time. Wish it would do that right at the very end. Fill the screen up. Yeah. Oh, many. There we go. There we go. There we go. Finally. First hand pay this morning. Drop another one. Drop another one. 2 more spins. 3 spaces left. Drop all 3. Give us that grand. Come on. Oh, I don't see it in there. Last spin. Come on, keep us in the game. Right here. Very good. Nice. Hashtag Sasha Slots. Give me that thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again to my 22 subscribers. Don't laugh. I appreciate all my 22 subscribers. All right, y'all. Take care. Oh, I guess it doesn't make any noise. Good morning, y'all. Okay, got a nice little major, $10,000 major going on up there. Look at that grand, $227,027.03. We are on Moon Race Lightning Link this morning. $1 denom, $25 bet. Let's see what we can get. Come on. Come on. There we go. Keep us in the game. $1,000 mini, $5,000 minor. Give me that thumbs up. Hashtag Sasha Slots. There, that's a good one. Come on. Give us a progressive. Come on. Keep us in the game. There we go. That's good. Let's give us a progressive. We'll be alright. That major drop down. 3 more spins. Come on. Come on, baby. Hope y'all's day is going well. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I've got 22 subscribers. Thank you to all of my 22 subscribers. I'm so excited. Thank you. So excited. Appreciate it. Hope you guys like the videos. If you want to see something else, let me know. But you know my favorites. 2 more spins to go. Woo. Yesterday was a fabulous day. I was just on Huff and Puff and he's, oh, I think we're broke up now. He just did me in. I might try him a little later. Come on, come on. Oh my goodness. Well, this will be my first grand, so let's pull it out. 3 spins to go, 1 left to go. We'll win $227,000. Wouldn't that be fabulous? It'll be my first grand. Come on, Jesus. Come on. All right. What we got here? Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, y'all. We'll see you a little later. Give me that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends. Hopefully you'll have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.